For today's main idea assignment, you are going to find the pages for the book that we've been reading called Hands Around the Library, Protecting Egypt's Treasured Books. We've been working on reading that book to you so that you would become familiar with it enough to identify the main idea and the key details that support the main idea. You'll have to identify the main idea and then show what the key details are that support it. But you're going to be using Popplet. Now, Popplet is an app on your iPad, and you're going to create your Popplet, and we might name it Main Idea. And then I'm just going to choose this color and create my Popplet. So yours will look similar, but when I want to create my Popplet, I'm on the website, but I'm going to go to the wheel, and I'm going to make new Popple. So right here, I can use a picture, just so you know for the future. It's really cool that you could upload an image. I'm going to use text though. I'm going to make it a moderate size. So I can say that the main idea is, and then I would list it. And then I can change the color of the Popple if I want to make some ideas connected. And then I can take that button and then I can show you that you can move this and you can write key detail number 1, and then I would write down what the key detail is. So you're going to be making this into a graphic organizer, and you're going to try to have at least 4 key details to support the main idea. But we want you to just kind of explore the Popplet app to become familiar with it. We gave you some time to look at it during our social emotional lesson that we did later last week, but make sure that you are taking a screenshot to show your work when you're done and that you are able to upload it to the Canvas assignment when you're done. But remember to look through the book, which you may have forgotten some of the details, so that, again, the book is in the Canvas assignment for you to look through and to help you through this assignment.